फलस्तीनी निजात अमरीकी और कोलंबिया यूनिवर्सिटी के साबिक तालिब-इल्म महमूद खलील ने अमरीकी सरकारी इदारों के खिलाफ $20 मिलियन हर जाने का दावा दायर कर दिया।
I'm initiating a process to seek accountability from the Trump administration for false imprisonment, for warrantless arrest, for emotional distress, all of these things that I had to go through for over 100 days. Yes, they tried something, it failed, but still the harm is already there. So unless they feel that there is some sort of accountability for that, they would continue to go unchecked. What I'm asking for, it's either this sum of money or an apology, an official apology from the administration for the wrongdoings that they did against me and against others as well.